Okay, I'm going to change out an expansion valve. Let the gains begin. I'm going to change the expansion valve out on this unit. I have two clips. You're going to see 11 degree subcooling and then 15. I just added a pound of refrigerant to show you that once you start adding refrigerant, the subcooling is going to climb so that my refrigerant's backed up in the condenser, and you won't see much change on the suction side at all because the valve's not letting the refrigerant go into the evaporator. Looks like a bad expansion valve. I added about a pound of refrigerant. I just did that to show you. Alright, I'm up in the attic right now, and there's the liquid line dryer. You don't hear much flow through this at all. So usually what I do is I'll take this cover off and feel the evaporator and all that, but I'm not going to do that, so I gotta get the model and serial number off the unit and get a new valve and get her back online. We're going to pump the system down now. Disconnects in. 27 is no power. I gotta wait for my board to get saturated here. I got the Y1 and Y2 jumpered here. Got my low pressure switch jumpered. Press the test button, and we're gonna pump it down. Okay, she's pumped down. We're going to go to work. Here's a valve ready for removal. The expansion valve is installed. I'm going to vacuum pump it, and we're going to start it up and see how it runs. Okay, here's our liquid line dryer. It's all set, and I couldn't hear any refrigerant flow going through this before, so now I can hear it. And then got the bulb all covered up, and we're all set. Okay, the unit's up and running. So I put a pound in there to show you that how it backs up into the condenser. So I'm actually overcharged. I have to recover the pound that I put in, then the charge will be exact. You see my subcooling is too high, so I'm going to back that down, put her where she's supposed to be, and we'll be all set. So I'm going to recover right now, and I'll get back to you when I have it charged perfectly. So this is with the proper charge, the new expansion valve. And this is what my pressures are running right now. I'm going to keep it at this. The temperatures of my lines coming back, the suction and the liquid line temperature going out. Big difference from the back expansion valve with the same amount of refrigerant in the system. Here's my liquid line dryer. I cut it open to see if there's any sediment or if it's a partially plugged dryer. Liquid line dryer. I've had partially plugged liquid line dryers before. That little piece went over here, and then my cap went on it, went over it there, but everything looks okay. This is clean as a whistle.